Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering up the switch with the right voltage and PoE budget. This prevents damage and unexpected reboots. Once powered, connect your laptop to the console port using the provided cable so you can access the CLI. Configure the management IP, gateway, and DNS immediately and save those values. This gives you remote access. Make sure to document intended port roles and VLAN ID before moving on, because planning reduces rework and downtime. Once the management interface is set, create the VLAN you planned and assign meaningful names so others understand the network map. Then configure each physical port. Set access mode for end devices and trunk mode for uplinks, making sure the native VLAN is consistent across devices. Apply port security and speed/duplex settings to avoid negotiation issues, and enable SDP and LLDP to prevent loops and help discovery. Save the running config to startup, because unsaved changes disappear after reboot. Now verify the setup by testing connectivity. Ping the gateway, test interVLAN routes, and confirm external access. This validates routing and firewall rules. Inspect PoE assignments and SFP link LEDs and ensure monitoring and syslog are receiving events. Once done, save and document the final topology and credentials in a secure location. If something fails, first check for VLAN tag mismatches or port mode errors. These common mistakes explain most connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.